Good morning, guys. Thank you for tuning in to another video. Today is a bit of a special day because well, we're not in the city, we're up in the mountains, and specifically a nice place on the mountain for driving. I drove up here last night, didn't really record anything for you guys because it was dark and just trying to pay attention to the road, but I couldn't sleep. I was so excited to get up and get back on the road, show you how nice these roads are. So got a cabin up here and it's been kind of enjoying it. So we're here at Lake Arrowhead. Unfortunately, I didn't bring my boat out, so we just get to enjoy these boats that are already here. My first long drive in the Mustang since I put it on the 85, and it's been pretty good. I found one 85 station that was close by. I had to go down off the mountain get some 85. I'm not going to do too much talking in this video. I'm going to let you guys kind of just enjoy the ride, enjoy the music that is created by the CORSA EXTREME. Only problem is I'm running on E85 and only have a half a tank left, 78-mile range. So hopefully we'll be able to survive. Worst comes to worst, I did bring an extra gallon of gas in the back so we can do our conversion back to 91 should we need to. The smell is so fresh up here. So nice to be kind of far away from everything. Mustang's loving these roads. So this is going to be a great way to get kind of a gauge of how my suspension feels, because I will be lowering the car soon and doing some suspension upgrades. So I'm pretty excited about that. So this will give me a very good idea of where everything sits stock, so that when I modify it, I have something kind of compared to in my mind when I go on the canyons once again. Up the modes here, go into a different mode. Man, these guys in front of me are going super slow, so we're gonna give ourselves some room to take some turns. Are you ready? guys, so I just wrapped up that drive. I don't really want to talk too much while I was driving because I was just focusing on the drive itself. The car did really well. I was swallowing my brakes a little bit, and they did fade out, but that's kind of expected because it was a long downhill and we were doing some pretty high speeds. So it was very fun though, even though it's extremely hot. Last night when I did the drive up, it was a lot cooler, so the car was enjoying it a lot more. But today, since it's very hot outside, the intake or inlet air temp is 106 degrees right now, so it's very warm day. And you know, the car's performing pretty good though, not giving me any type of issues. But thank you so much for checking out this video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. That was just a little bit of a drive in my GT on stock suspension. I do have spacers in the back, so I kind of took it a little easy in certain areas where I would have usually just got on it. But you know, stock, the GT handles really well and it feels great, especially on a curvy road like that. You know, I'm tuned on the 85, so the car is definitely making the power's there, and it felt phenomenal. So anyways, we'll catch you guys in the next video. Hope you guys enjoyed it. Drop a like, subscribe if you're new, and we'll see you next time. Peace.